Hi guys, good morning. Today let's create a YouTube channel art or a YouTube banner using this Canva platform. So if you're just starting your YouTube channel like me and you want to know how to create a YouTube channel art for your channel, this video might help you. So as you can see here guys, the ideal size for a YouTube channel art is 2560 pixels by 1440 pixels. But the viewable dimensions for all devices is 1546 pixels by 423 pixels. So if we go here in Canva and then search for YouTube channel art, here you can see a lot of pre-made templates na pwede mong gamitin sa paggawa or pwede mo na lang silang ma-edit sa yung color niya, yung fonts, yung images, yung elements. Okay, but in this video, we will make a new one. And what I did para makuha ko yung dimensions na viewable on all devices is this one. I have uploaded here that one. And then what I did, add page again. And then what I did is, go here sa toolbar sa taas, file, show rulers, and show guides. So, tingnan nyo to guys, dito sa blank page natin, nakopy na yung sizes dito. Yung dimensions niya. So, dito tayo gagawa. Dito ka magfo-focus. Ito yung 1546 by 423. So, dito ka magfo-focus, maglalagay ng mga elements, ng text, ng image na gusto mong ilagay. So, for example, yung channel natin is tutorial. Example natin itong Canva tutorial. Lagyan natin siya ng text. Canva tutorial, caps lock, ayan, and then add text, sample, new video every week, and then you can add elements like Canva. Change natin ang color. You can add your photos, upload your own photo, or you can choose from here. Hanap tayo ng pwedeng ilagay. This one is okay. Let's choose this one. And let's remove the background. Go here sa taas, sa effects, and then background remover. So again guys, Canva background remover feature is available on Canva Pro users. So if you want to try their 30 days free trial, you can click the link on the description below na ilalagay ko para ma-redirect kayo dun sa Canva Pro free trial registration. So the background is totally removed. I want to flip this image. Dito sa taas, flip, and then horizontal. And then resize it para mag-fit siya dun sa dimensions which is viewable on all devices. Okay? Ayan. So, here is okay. Ayan. So, guys, for example, yan na yung gusto nyo. You can leave it like that or you can add more elements para mas maging attractive yung channel art na ginagawa nyo. So, for example, lagyan natin siya ng mga ganito. And then you can add arrow. Ayan. So, kung gusto nyo pang lagyan ng mga ganito, change the color, transparency, and then position it backward. Ayan, naka-backward na siya. Ayan. So, another. Position backwards. Then color, transparency, and then the color. Ayan. Ayan guys. Maraming mga design. Later, titingnan natin siya kung anong itsura niya dun sa pag in-upload na natin siya sa YouTube channel natin. Ang dami ng decoration. Ayan. Ayan. So, kung yan na yung gusto nyo, let's download it and let's try na i-upload dun sa YouTube channel natin kung ano yung kalalabasan niya. Okay. So, guys, ayan, ito-try natin siya dito sa YouTube channel natin para makita natin kung ano yung itsura ng ginawa natin. Go to your channel, customize channel, and then here sa branding, go here sa banner image, upload, and then open the, okay guys, eto na siya. Ito na yung ginawa natin. Click natin done para makita natin kung ano yung itsura. Publish. And then go to channel. So, ayan guys. Ayan na yung ginawa nating YouTube channel art. Okay? So, I hope guys na may natutunan kayo, may nakuha kayong ideya kung paano gumawa ng YouTube channel art para sa channel nyo. Okay? So, thank you very much guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please like and turn on the notification bell. Thank you very much guys. Have a good day.